to my channel. Right now I need download driver Canon Pixma. This here the serial. This here the your type the driver download driver download. And this why I am search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And you click here for the official website. Click here. This what website loading. Okay, this here for the official website. You click here the driver. You scroll on this here for detect automatic operating system detect automatic. This here for the operating system Windows 8. And if you need like Windows, you select your system operation. You click here. This here for the all operating system for the operating system Mac 12 and Mac 11. And this here for the Mac 8. And this here for the Windows 11 and Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9.7. And this here for the Linux driver. This here Chrome OS, Chrome operating system. This video I'm testing for the Mac Life, and you select here the Mac Life. This one, select here the Mac Life, and this here for the Mac Life automatic detect operating system. If you need to install driver for the Mac Life, you connect laptop or PC or connect to internet, and you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the automatic your operating system Windows 11 operating system Mac Life. And if you need download for the Mac Life and Mac 11, this year for the automatic operating system. This year update automatic operating system. Okay, and this here I am show for Linux the driver. This here for the Linux print driver for the Linux package. And this here for the resource for the Linux. And I am recommended for you. This here for the Debian. And this here for the RPM package driver for the Linux. If you need to load, you click here. This here for the Linux and link with support for English, French, and Chinese. Okay, and this here for the Windows 11. In this video, I need to download driver Windows 11, and this is for the Mac driver. Recommended for you. You download the driver full printer and scanner functionality for your product. Okay, driver will provide full printer and scanner functionality for your product. This is for the recommended. You looking the you release update, a new release update. And this here for the will download and install driver need to set up and your product. And also complete you will be you will be able to install software and enters your product functionality. And this here for the driver, you look in the software. This here for the software Windows 11. Select your operating system. And this here for the Windows 11. And this here for recommended for you to download here. And this here for support printer and support a driver and support the software for the Windows 11. Okay, back to the driver. And this here for the Windows 11. Windows 11. This here for recommended for you. Download for the driver and scanner Windows 11. You click here the tile for the Windows 11. This here for the information for you. Your history setup and compatible. This here for the compatible your operating system and compatible your language, and this here for the product. This here Protion, Protion, Protion. This here for the Windows driver, and this scan for the scan button of the printer does work to connect chain from the network. Okay, this here for the maybe support the network, and I am support the network again. And this here for if you need to load, you click here. This here for support the network. Click download, and this here for the driver download for the Windows 11. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please swipe finish driver download, and you click extract the driver download. You click next and you click finish. This here for automatic detect your operating your your printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my